Hey guys, it's me back with another video because I haven't posted in a while. Um, so today's video is gonna be like very basic. I'm gonna show you guys my squishies. Well, the ones that I can find because I have a lot more than what I have in front of me. I just can't find the rest. Let's get on with the video. So I have this like bear thing. It might be a cat, but I think it's like a little bear. It's like midnight, so it's Galaxy. Has its little curly tail, if you can see that. That is already like falling apart. It smells like peaches, and it isn't very slow rising, but it's slow-ish, and it's cute. $6 at Walmart. This next one is a rodeo. Like it's a roller coaster. It's a cute little cloud with a star on top. Very soft. Love it. Star got ripped off a couple days ago. Yeah. Also, $6 at Walmart. Anyways, the next one that I have for you is a smooshy, mushy YOLO Froyo in the flavor Berry Cherry. This was $10 at Walmart, but it was under like the pricing. There was a bunch of them that said it was only $4. So, bitch, what the fuck, Walmart? All my Squishies came from Walmart. Well, most of them. I just love this packaging. It comes with its best friend. So I already put one of the keychains on it. It's the little cherry. Now it's supposed to smell like cherries, but it's very faint. Very faint. Here comes this comes with a little baby bottle. This has the other keychain in it. And then here, I don't know the names because I lost the little like pamphlet thing, but it's okay. But here's, yes. I just like to squish it. Like, I don't know why that's fun for me, but like I said again, very faint cherry scent. But yeah, that's all my squishies. Well, that's all, like I said, that's all the ones that I could find. I don't really know what this video is, and probably not gonna get a lot of views because I'm trash. But I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. Yeah, I will hopefully be posting. School's gonna start in like a week. I need to do like an update video on my life, so maybe that'll be my next video. See you all later. Hope you enjoyed. Mwah.